Page number 100. Pick the correct answer. First one, the word Sufi comes from the word dash. Sufi comes from the word dash. Saf, alle? S-U-F, saf. Second one, the Bhakti saint believed that salvation could be attained through knowledge. The Bhakti saint believed that salvation could be attained through knowledge. The correct answer is Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, Tukaram, Mirabai. Shankaracharya. B is correct. Shankaracharya. Third one, this book contains Kabir's philosophy. Kabir's philosophy contains in the book ഏതാ? Bijak. Bijak. B-I-J-A-K. Bijak. Kabir Vani alla, Adi Granth alla, Rachnavali alla. Bijak. Option C is correct. Fourth one, the Guru Nanak started the practice of common kitchens called dash. Guru Nanak കൊണ്ടുവന്ന common kitchen പേരെന്താ? Langar. L-A-N-G-A-R. Langar. Option D is correct. Langar. Then fifth one, the Sufi movement originated in dash Asia. Sufi movement originated in dash Asia. Sufi movement. West Asia. West. Sufi movement originated in West Asia. Okay, then sixth one, the Sufi saints lived in a dash. Sufi സന്യാസിമാരുടെ സന്യാസിമാർ ജീവിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലം താമസിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലം എന്താ? Sufi saints lived in a dash. എന്താ? Khangha, അല്ലേ? Khangha. Option C, Khangha. Then seventh one, the Sufi saint gave a lot of information to musical gathering. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti, Qutbuddin, Bakhtiyar Kaki, Baba Farid, Shah Alam Bukhari. Who? Seventh one, who? Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. Option A. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti.
Miss, fifth one.
Then last one, this cult never attracted too many followers. This cult. Eda Nathpandi. Option D, Nathpandi. അത് വായിച്ചു നോക്കണേ ആ കൾട്ട്.
Miss, fifth one.
എങ്ങനെ?
Fifth one.
ഓ
മിസ് അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ആൻസർ.
ബാക്കി മുഴുവൻ കിട്ടിയോ? ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ?
ആ.
അഞ്ചാമത്തെയാണ് കിട്ടാത്തത്.
ആ.
അഞ്ചാമത്തത് സുഫി മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഒറിജിനേറ്റഡ് ഇൻ വെസ്റ്റ് ഏഷ്യ. വെസ്റ്റ്. Sufi movement originated in West Asia. Okay. Then next one, match the column. Match the column. Column A, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sant Kabir, Guru Nanak, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti, Khwaja Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya, Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria. Column B, belonged to the Suravadi Silsila, emphasized the worship of one God, is buried at Ajmer, was also known as Mahabub Ilahi, was a Krishna Bhakti, stood for Hindu-Muslim unity. ഒന്നാമത്തത് ചൈതന്യ മഹാപ്രഭു. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a Krishna Bhakta. Krishna Bhakta. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a Krishna Bhakta. Option E. E is correct. Okay. Second one, Sant Kabir. Sant Kabir stood for Hindu-Muslim unity. Alle, Sant Kabir stood for Hindu-Muslim unity. Option F. Sant Kabir stood for Hindu-Muslim unity. Then third one, Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak emphasized the worship of one God. Guru Nanak emphasized the worship of one God. Fourth one, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti is buried at Ajmer. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti buried at Ajmer. Then fifth one, Khwaja Hazrat Nizamuddin Awliya. Khwaja Hazrat Nizamuddin Awliya. Khwaja Hazrat Nizamuddin Awliya emphasized the worship of one God. Emphasized the worship of, sorry, തെറ്റിപ്പോയിട്ടോ. തെറ്റിപ്പോയി. Khwaja Hazrat Nizamuddin Awliya was also known as Mahabub Illahi. Mahabub Illahi. Option D is correct. Khwaja Hazrat Nizamuddin Awliya was also known as Mahabub Illahi. Then last one or sixth one, Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria. Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria belonged to the Suravadi Silsila. Suravadi Silsila. Option A. Okay. Then next one, fill in the blanks. Mirabai popularized the worship of Lord Dash, Vishnu, Krishna, Rama. Mirabai popularized the worship of Lord Dash. Mirabai ഏത് ഭക്തിയാ? Krishna devotee. Krishna devotee അല്ലേ? Devotee of Krishna. Mirabai is a devotee of Krishna. Krishna devotee. Then second one, Sant Kabir was a disciple of Swami Dash. Sant Kabir ആരായിരുന്നു? ഏത് സ്വാമിയുടെ ഡിസിപ്പിളാ? Sant Kabir was
Ramananda.
Ramananda, disciple of Swami Ramananda. Sant Kabir was a disciple of Swami Ramananda. Third one, Dash are the followers of Kabir. Dash are the followers of Kabir. Sixth, Kabir Pandis, Kwalandras. Kabir Pandis. Dash are the followers of Kabir Pandis. Followers of Kabir, that is Kabir Pandis. Fourth one, Guru Granth Sahib was compiled by Guru Dash. Guru Granth Sahib എഴുതിയ ആരാ? Arjun Dev. Compiled by Guru Arjun Dev. Last one, Baba Farid belonged to the Dash Silsila. Baba Farid. Chishti Silsila. Chishti. Okay. Chishti Silsila. Next one, short answers for the following. First one, who were Alvar and Nayanar saints? Who were Alvar and Nayanar saints? Short answer. Short answer. First one. Who were Alvar and Nayanar sign? Ida. The Alvas and Nayanars were the Alvas and Nayanars were saint poets. SAINT, saint poets. Saint poets who popularized the Bhakti movement. The Bhakti movement. Who popularized the Bhakti movement. Okay. Then next. Sorry, Bhakti movement in South India. Bhakti movement in South India. In the 8th century. In the 8th century. In the 8th century. They preached, PREACHED, they preached the path of surrendering, the path of surrendering, SURRENDERING, surrendering oneself to God, oneself to God, GOD, oneself to God. They traveled from one place to another, singing hymns, singing, SINGING, singing hymns, HYMN, singing hymns, in praise, PRAISE, ദൈവത്തെ ഉയർത്തിപ്പാടുന്ന പാട്ട്, praise of different gods. Okay. Second one. How is Ramanuja's theory of Bhakti different from that of Shankaracharya's theory? അതായത് ശങ്കരാചാര്യന്റെയും രാമാനുജന്റെയും തിയറി തമ്മിലുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം എന്തൊക്കെയാ? Ramanuja considered Bhakti BHAKTI. Ramanuja considered Bhakti to be more important, than knowledge. രാമാനുജ പറയുന്നത് ഭക്തിക്കാണ് പ്രാധാന്യം അല്ലെ, അറിവിനെക്കാട്ടും. പിന്നെയോ ശങ്കരാചാര്യ പറയുന്നത് എന്താ? നോളജ് ആണ് എല്ലാം അല്ലെ. Shankaracharya on the other hand, Shankaracharya on the other hand believed that believed that Shankaracharya on the other hand believed that knowledge alone could lead to salvation. Knowledge alone could lead to salvation. Lead to salvation. SALVATION. Okay. Okay. Then third one. What was Sant Kabir born? Sorry. Where was Sant Kabir born? Who were his parents? Third one. Sant Kabir was born in Kashi. Sant Kabir was born in Kashi. Sant Kabir was born in Kashi. Now in Varanasi. Now in Varanasi. 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 According to some scholars, according to some scholars, Kabir was abandoned by his mother. Kabir was abandoned by his mother. Abandoned by his mother. He was then adopted by അമ്മ ഉപേക്ഷിച്ചു അല്ലെ അതിനുശേഷം he was adopted by ആരാ ഏറ്റെടുത്തെ കബീറിനെ adopted by a childless Muslim couple by a childless കുട്ടികളില്ലാത്ത അല്ലെ childless Muslim couple. They were weavers by profession. They were weavers by profession. PRO. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one. What were the three principles that, according to Guru Nanak, formed the essence of life? Three principles. In the morning, we discussed about the three principles of Guru Nanak. Which are they? Did you remember anybody? Huh? What are the three principles? Meditate, work hard, then share your earnings. Those who have unfortunate than you. Yes, right down. Naam japo or meditate. One of the naam japo or meditate. Second one, Second one, Tirthkaro, K-I-R, Tirthkaro, 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 or work hard, or work hard, H-A-R, and earn your bread by honest means. Bread by honest means. Then next one. Next one. One. Or share your earnings. Share your earnings. E-A-R-N-I-N. Share your earnings with people. With people. With people. Who are less fortunate. Who are less fortunate. Than you. Less fortunate than you. വായിച്ചോട്ടെ ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യട്ടെ പെയ്ത്തെ പെയ്ത്ത്
Yes, miss.
കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്ത മോനെ
സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്തു മിസ്.
ഓക്കെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് അടുത്തത് എത്രാമത്തെ ആയിരുന്നു അഞ്ചാമത്തത് ഫിഫ്ത് വൺ വാട്ട് ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ബൈ സിൽസില സാംഘ ആൻഡ് സാമ എഴുതാ ദ സുഫി സെയിൻസ് the Sufi saints formed many orders. Formed many orders. Formed many orders. Such orders were called. Such orders were called. Such orders were called silsila. S-I-L-S-I-L-A. Silsilas. Such as. Such as. Such as the Chishti and Suravadi. S-U-H-R-A-W-A-R-D-I-S. Suravadi. Suravadi. Silsila. Full stop. The Sufi saints lived in Kanga. full stop, music and dance sessions, music and dance sessions called Sama. Music and dance sessions called Sama. Were held in Kangas. WHR were held. No need the long answers, okay? But this chapter is almost over. Huh? If you have any doubt, ask me now. Huh? Faith, എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞ മോനെ?
നോ മിസ്, ഞാൻ സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. എഴുതുവാ.
നമ്മുടെ ഈ ലെസൺ ഏകദേശം തീർന്നു കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ ദെൻ മോനെ ഫെയ്ത്തെ ബാക്കി എല്ലാരും പോയി നോട്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കി സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യണേ.
ഓക്കെ മിസ്.
ഓക്കെ ബൈ ബൈ, സീ ഇൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്.